The Weather Now Camera Network, powered by Mr. Quick and Train.
It's 41 degrees out there. You're looking live at Bloomington on the campus of IU. All things are quiet there as many people are on break, but they are going to get a lot of rain this morning, right, Kyle?
Yeah, there's a lot of rain falling, and including in and around the Bloomington area, you're picking up on some rain. You mentioned travel. You know, if you can put that off here till the end of the weekend, maybe Sunday afternoon or early next week, you'll be in much better shape because, as you can see, from in Ohio, Indiana, Illinois, Kentucky, even into Tennessee later on today, they'll be dealing with some thunderstorms. You've got rain and a wintry mix back in Missouri. It's really just a mess across a big portion of the country. Here's a little closer view as to what we're dealing with, and it's all rain for us. Again, I think thunderstorms stay to our south and the wintry weather stays off to our west. But we have some steady rain coming down right now for you. Tipped in Frankfurt, as well as Kokomo, Indianapolis. A little bit of a window there into portions of northern Putnam County. That will continue to fill in. So just a few light showers for you in and around Greencastle. But as we look to Bloomfield, Bloomington, Columbus, Nashville, Greensburg, all dealing with that rain this morning. And the radar's not really going to change too much. But I mentioned that we have that temperature divide across the state. Low 30s. Lafayette, you're at 33. It's 41 in Indianapolis, 48 in Bloomington. You've even fallen off a couple of degrees. It's near 60, though. Dayton and Cincinnati both coming in at 59. With that 41-degree temperature, we have a wind out of the north-northwest at 7 miles per hour, and of course humidity at 100%. As we take TrueCast through the day at 9 o'clock this morning, you see that rain across all of central Indiana, and that's not really going to change. The northern edge of this, we might get a few breaks, but we're certainly going to be locked into the rain throughout the day around I-70 and areas to the south. Some of that could be a little bit on the heavier side as we go through this afternoon and into the evening. Even at 9 o'clock tonight, notice this radar picture not going to change a whole lot. That's why we have the flooding concern with all of the heavy rain. Of course, we've talked about the snow melt also and that relatively hard ground thanks to the cold snap that we had lately. So we'll start to dry things out as we go into tomorrow morning. But for this afternoon, just 38 in Peru, 52 in Greensburg, 50 in Bloomington, and 42 in Terre Haute. That will be your Saturday afternoon temperature. We won't really call them highs because numbers will bounce around a little bit today. Then on Sunday, a few morning rain showers are possible. Then temperatures will actually fall as we go through the afternoon. So it gets colder and a few flurries possible by 4 o'clock. Here's your 7-day planning forecast. When temperatures again going to fall Sunday afternoon, just 30 for a high on Monday. Christmas Eve, it'll be cold but dry with lots of sunshine. Christmas Day looks to be partly sunny. 34 our high. Will stay in the mid-30s on Thursday. And as I mentioned, once we get this system out of here, next week looks pretty quiet.